Park your 2011-2022 Ford Explorer on a level surface, turn off the engine, and open the rear hatch. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to gently pry off the light lens or housing cover. Be careful to avoid cracking the plastic. Work slowly and apply even pressure. If there are screws holding the housing in place, remove them before trying to pry anything open. Once the housing is open, twist or gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It's usually a wedge-based type that pops out easily. If you're having trouble gripping it, needle nose pliers can help. Now for the new bulb. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's properly seated. If you're using an LED replacement, double-check the polarity if it's specified. LEDs only work in one direction. If it doesn't light up after installation, flip it around. Once the new bulb is in place, snap the housing back together. Reattach the license plate if you removed it earlier. Finally, test the lights to ensure they're working. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, using LED bulbs offers longer life and lower energy consumption, so they're a great upgrade option.